Name's Josh Niven. In 2016 I studied the NQ Garden and Landscaping course at college. The course started in the autumn, so we were taken around to be shown your trees as they died back, so we got to know what was deciduous, what was evergreen, that sort of thing, and from there on, going through the seasons, we had a lot more experience with different subjects. During the winter we had our cutting back side of things, so we essentially cleared a lot of space. Then moving into spring, there was a lot of seed sowing to be done, and the season previous, seed saving from trees and certain herbaceous plants. And the course then culminated in sort of future sowing for that year, vegetables and annuals as well. Well, Dumfries Silas offered me a get into course, so there was a kind of horticulture and hospitality. We got a good range of experience. So we'd be out in the estate, we'd be around the ponds, really wet borders there. We'd be in the shaded woodlands, we would be out in a field somewhere, or just any other day we'd be down digging through a veg plot. So a good sampler of what the proper job would be like. Equal parts, getting things nice and neat in winter, and then obviously when you're in spring, getting your seeds sown and seeing it develop over time. It's a good choice. You may be surprised with how much there is to discover. I'm discovering new things all the time. I think in terms of the job I'm doing at the moment, unless I really wanted to go and do, say, something in more of a managerial point of view, I think I have the knowledge I need to do my physical side of my work. Really, if you put your mind to it, you can get things right first time.